Hey everybody, welcome back, and today we're talking about the first homebrew book that you should get. It's written by Charlie Papa. Just kidding, it's Papazian, and this is considered the homebrewer's Bible. He is the godfather of beer, or one of them at least. It's a great book. It's good for beginners all the way up to advanced. There's a great preface in here by the late Michael Jackson. The book talks about everything from getting started to getting the equipment you need, hops, water, yeast, plus a lot more. There's a couple of recipes in here also, which includes the hanging possum, a American lager, and also the toad spit stout. Yeah, there's a couple of strange ones in there. Enzymes, there's a little bit of science in there, and history. You can get it new for about 24 bucks or used like I did for about 6 bucks. Which is still in pretty good condition, I would say. You know, as homebrewers, I guess, as homebrewers, we take care of our equipment. The book is about close to 400 pages, so it's definitely a book that you should have in your collection. Oh, and love the pictures in here about multitasking. That's Charlie and his wife making homebrew. You ever tried making beer while you're drinking beer? Yeah, multitasking. Yeah, there's a couple of charts in here, from hop varieties to beer style characteristics. A couple of equations in there, so you can start your homebrew. More diagrams and schematics. Check out this design for a brewing system. Oh, the pictures here? Yeah, kind of remind me of the old Dungeons and Dragons manuals. Oh, you find a portal. You enter the portal and find a road of beer, or the bark. The goat is unimpressed with your request, so he proceeds to daydream of beer. Roll saving throw. It even includes a map of Middle-earth. Alright, so it's definitely a neat little book covering a little bit of everything from the basics to the advanced. It has the science in there and recipes so you can develop your skills. I'll leave my affiliate link below so you can check it out. Yeah, check it out. It's worth it. You're worth it. L'Oreal. Alright, get out of here, kids, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, you lemmings. Alright, I'll see you around. Bye. So, Annie, are you drinking homebrew?